So here we are going to discuss this topic, sum of n terms of an AP. So under this we are going to find out, or we are going to perform few problems under an advanced level. Then now, so here the first problem is of show that Tn is equals to 3 plus 2n. So Tn equals to 3 plus 2n, the condition which is given to us. The nth term is given for us, that is Tn, the nth term equals to 3 plus 2n. Then we have to show that this nth term, so T of n equals to 3 plus 2n form an AP, that is arithmetic progression. Then at the same time we have to find out the sum to 24 terms of an AP. So we have to find out S of 24. Solution starts now. So here, as per problem, the nth term is given as, so here Tn, the nth term is given as 3 plus 2n. So here let us suppose at n is equals to 1, then we will be getting the first term. So here n is replaced by means of this 1. So here then when n is replaced by means of 1, then the right hand side will be of 3 plus 2n, that is 2 into 1. So that implies 3 plus 2 ones is of 2. So that implies 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. So in this manner I got the first term as 5. Then now, so similarly let us write the same condition. Tn is equals to 3 plus 2n when n is replaced by means of 2 now. So here at n is equals to 2, then we have when n is replaced by means of 2, that is T2 equals to 3 plus 2 into n replaced by means of 2, that implies 3 plus bracket indicates into 2 into 2 is of 4. So that implies, so 3 plus 4 is of 7. So in this manner I got the second term as 7. At the same time, so here I want to write the same condition which is given for us. So Tn is equals to 3 plus 2n when n is replaced by means of 3. So at n is equals to 3. So T of when n is replaced by means of 3, so you will be getting T3, that is the third term, then 3 plus 2 into n replaced by means of 3. So that implies, so 3 plus written as it is, 2 into 3 is of 6, that implies 3 plus 6 is of 9. So in this manner I got the third term as 9. Then now the given series based on, that is the nth term. So here Tn is equals to 3 plus 2n is of the first term is of 5, the second term is of 7, then third term is of 9 comma dash dash, whereas in which, so T1 is of 5, second term is of 7 and the third term is of 9. So here Now let us find out the difference of the two consecutive terms. So here T2 minus T1 and T3 minus T2. Then now that implies T2 minus T1 is equals to, the second term is of 7 and the first term is of 5. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2, and similarly at the same time, so here T3 minus T2, so that implies so third term is of 9 and the second term is of 7. So 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. So the difference is same. So here it is of 2 in the first case, that is T2 minus T1, and whereas here T3 minus T2 is also of same. So here in this manner we got, so T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2, whereas each is equals to 2. So here based upon this condition, since the difference is common, throughout the series, since the difference is common throughout the series, hence the series which is 5, 7, 9 and so on is in arithmetic progression, that is denoted by means of AP. Whereas here, so first term is of 5, the second term is of 7 and the third term is of 9. So here let us write the first term, but it is denoted by means of letter A, which is equals to 5, and the common difference D is given by means of the formula, that is T2 minus T1, which is equals to 7. The second term is of 7 minus first term is of 5. Then 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. In this manner we got common difference D as 2. Based upon these values, that is A equals to 5 and as well as D equals to 2, let us find out the sum of 24 terms. So here as per the problem, so here let us find out the sum of 24 terms. But we know that sum of n terms is given by means of n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. At a equals 2, so here as per the sequence, a value is of 5 and the d value is of 2. Then we have, so a equals to 5 and difference, common difference is of 2. By substituting these values in the given formula, so here we will be getting, so we have to find out sum of 24 terms. So here at n is equals to 24, we will be getting sum of 24 terms. Then the next further logical step will be of S of, so here n must be replaced by means of 24 in order to get sum of 24 terms. So that equals to n by means of 24 divided by 2 square bracket, then 2 and a. So here 2a, so here there is of into symbol in between. So here 2 into, so a value is of 5 plus within bracket, so n is of again 24 minus 1. So here multiplied with d, that is 2, bracket close. Then that equals to, by further simplification, so 2 1s in the denominator and 2 12s in the numerator is of 24. So here we will be getting it as 12 into 2 5s is of, say here 2 5s is of 10 plus difference of 24 and 1. So 1 is of negative and 24 is of positive, that is plus into minus is of minus, 24 minus 1 is of 23. 24 is greater than 1, its sign is of positive. Then now multiplied, that is dot with 2. That implies the next logical step will be of 12 multiplied with 10 plus 23 2s is of 46 Then next logical step will be of 12 into 46 plus 10 is of 56. Then now by multiplying further, so here 56 into 12, so 56 into 12 as 2 6 is of 12, that has carry 1. So 2 5 is of 10 plus 1 is of 11. 1 into 6 is of 6, then now 1 into 5 is of 5. By adding up here, so it is of 2. So here vertically 1 plus 6 is of 7, 5 plus 1 is of 6. So in this manner we got it as 672. So here by multiplying 12 and as well as 56, we got it as 672. So in this manner, so we got sum of 24 terms of the series is of 672.